sa atong pinalanggang Municipal Mayor, very active, very young, Honorable Rafi Alipio Andaya. Atong mga SB members, aniya diri karon, kumpleto ni sila. Honorable Harmon Balbon, Honorable Louis Palomar, Honorable Ralph Alpas, Honorable Evangeline Kalinawan, Honorable Jenny Guimaras, Honorable Guillermo Banhao, Honorable Jerry Zamora, Honorable Neil Arvin Abangan, atong ABC President, Honorable Antonio Takuyan, atong SK Federation President, Honorable Mevrens Abuso, atong mga department heads, staff, JOs, barangay officials, barangay captains, aniya diri karon, atong pageant committee who tirelessly devote themselves for many nights, for many years na po. Kanatong tanan, visitors, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening! Maayong gabi! Kana ba? Tonight, we gather here not only to celebrate beauty and grace, but to honor the diversity and unity that define our municipality. 26 out of 27 young, talented, and empowered ladies endorse and represent their beloved barangays will compete for the title Miss Manhuyod 2024, regardless of skin color, size, or height, as long as they possess the qualities of a true dalagang manhuyudnon that could represent our beloved municipality into a greater platform. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the elimination night of Miss Manhuyod 2024.
Once again, thank you so much to Honor